Hello and welcome to the next episode in my big European tour 2023. In this episode we'll be taking the Sleeper from Berlin to Budapest, which is in Hungary. We're at Berlin right now and we're waiting for the Sleeper. We are going to be going through Germany, Poland, Czechia, Slovakia and Hungary, which is where we'll be ending our journey. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I think it's a special episode. I can't wait, it's going to be exciting. Thank you for tagging along with me. Okay, so we are now travelling through Germany and we're going to be crossing into Poland at around sort of 7:50, 8 o'clock at night in local time, and then the other countries we're going to be travelling through late at night. So hopefully I can stay up and record when we cross the border, but it might be pitch black, but it's an exciting adventure and so far so good. We are in Slovakia and we have breakfast. Budapest, which is the capital of Hungary, another new country for me. This is where our sleeper journey ends.